We're going to build some words. We're going to look for some sight words. And then when you're all done, you're going to spell some words by yourself. All right? I know you can do all those, so let's get started. Stretch your arms out. We're going to listen for the ending sounds of words. Okay? Put your hands on your hips. Listen to these two words, then say them after me. Wrap, nap. Say it with me. Wrap, nap. Let's stretch it out. App. Other arm. App. Do they have the same beginning or ending sound? If they do, thumbs up. If they don't, cover your ears. Okay, let's try another one. Ready? Hands on your hips. Ran, tin. You say it. Ran, tin. Let's stretch it out. Same beginning or same ending sound? Listen to the ending. I'll do it now. Listening for the ending sound, the sound by your wrist. You're right, it has the same ending sound. Whisper to me, what's the ending sound? Thank you. Let's try the next one. Hands on your hips. Map, bin. Ready? Map, bin. Let's stretch it out. I see some of you are thinking already. App. You're right. They do not have the same ending sound. And not the same. Next two. Ready? Pot, pit. Your turn. Pot, pit. Let's try it. Ready? Pot, it. Now the next time I do this, you can do it on your arms if you want, or you can just give me a thumbs up or cover your ears. Whatever works best for you. Ready? Fan, sun. You say it. Fan, sun. Most of you didn't even do this, but some of you tried it. Way to go. It has the same ending sound. Hands on your hips. Next one. Tan, pot. Tan, pot. You're right. They do not have the same ending sound. Thomas, way to keep problem solving. The last one. Bib, rob. Your turn.
Bib, rob.
Give yourself a round of applause. You can listen to the ending sound of words. Now we're going to blend some words to make sounds to make words. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Eyes. If you're a reader, can you find words on my nose? No. Here we go. Ready? Ready? Let's blend it together. Slide it. Whisper to your neighbor, what's that word? Remember, that's like a sheep. Next one. Sage sound. Slide it together. Whisper it to your neighbor. Who can say that word in a sentence? Luke. Mom, will you please rub my feet? Good job. All right, next one. Ready? Put it together. Who can use that in a sentence? Millie.
I can see a rip.
I can see a rip. Where would you see a rip, Millie?
In my t-shirt.
In your t-shirt. That happens. All right, last word. Here we go. Who can use that word in a sentence? Kendall.
I need a map.
I need a map. Why?
Maybe because we don't know where to go.
You don't know where to go. Now you know how to write that word. Way to go. Let's practice some of our high frequency words, our word wall words. Ready?
With, is, of, the, see, has, are.
In your brain, read my sentence that has a missing word. Don't blurt it out. Would anyone like to read the words and leave out the missing word? Would anyone like to give it a try? Kaya. Mine, yep. Cat, with the ending sound. And we're going to leave that word. Oh, you're right. That's the word we need. Can you tell me this word? Boys and girls, I noticed all of you, I could hear with my ears, all of you were stretching those words out. Way to stay focused. My cat is tan. There's a missing word. What word should go in there? Lucas, will you go put that word in the sentence for me? Thanks, Lucas. Kindergartners, let's read that word. Or sentence. My cat is tan. Can't trick me yet. Let's read some more words. Here we go.
See, the, of, has, is, with, are.
This one again?
Have.
Okay. These are characters we've been reading in our book, if you forgot. Linda, would you like to read it how it is for us? Go ahead, Linda. Big, strong voice. Tam and Pam. Map. Thanks for using Stretchy the Snake and saying each sound. There's a word missing there. That doesn't make sense. Tam and Pam. Map. Madeline, what word is missing? Can you go find have and put it in our sentence? While she's doing that, I want you to spell have in the air. Ready? H-A-V-E. Very good. Let's read that sentence together. Tam and Pam have a map. Lorianne, were you on to read that? Everyone else's eyes are on the words. The cat is on top the pan. Way to use Stretchy the Snake. You said each sound. Thor, there a word missing? Of. Can you find it?
Yeah.
While Thor's doing that, write the word on the floor. Don't tell him what the word is. Give a thumbs up to Thor if you wrote the word that he's found. All right. All right, Thurston, go ahead. Read it. Tim can the cat? Huh? Kendall, there's a word missing. See, where is it? You see it? Go ahead, put it in. Everyone spell it for Kendall. Ready? S-E-E. That was my fault. You got it. I think we have one more. No, we don't. Read this new word for me.
R.
Spell it for me.
A-R-E.
What letter's missing? What letter's missing? Millie, come fill in the missing letter. Thanks for doing a lowercase one. Way to go. A-R-E spells?
R.
What letter's missing? What letter's missing? Babu, come fill it in. Let's spell it. A-R-E. Way to go, Babu. R. What letter is missing? Adam. All right, let's say it. A-R-E. Read it. R. Thanks, Adam. R. At your table spot, there is a book. It looks like this. It's called What is Red? Your job is to go back and put your name on your book and find a highlighter and find that word R in your book. Whisper to your neighbor what you're going to do when you get back to your table